she just said 8:30, so I could.
At that point right over there, at Greenway, on this point out there, it belongs to Doris Duke. That's where they had different saints like Bob White, McAfee, and also Billy Home. And I think it's gone as far as it can go. And then people are looking for another area to build homes, which will be on the northern side of Oahu. I'll show you that portion there. Or they will.
Toppumassa Spanjimen hanktiin.
Tuohon tuonne kyllä, tuohon.
No, the reason why they had pineapple, they used Yeah, you gotta pull the signs here.
Oh, yeah, look at it.
The big one then, the big one. Shot it again.
Put it on right.
For those of you with ticket number 6, please proceed to the theater.
Rainbow! Especially here. The rainbow in port. What's this hard? what is it called again, Tino?
I only got five pictures left. I only got 5 pictures left. There's too many on the bus.
Thank you.
There's too many on the bus. I only have 5 left.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I like this. That's the Richard song. I only have 5 left. 5 pictures left.
That's the last one.
Quite impressed with those, isn't she?
Buttercup is the youngest bird we show off. She's only 9 years old. She's born and raised right here in the park. And Martian, we saw just a few moments ago, was our oldest bird. Martian's around 40 years old. Go back the other way. And usually they get the 55-mile-an-hour speed limit on the way back. That's 2 more traveling showbirds, Buttercup and Coco, the young. Good job. And Clyde's also been trying to get into our duck shows. You may see that just happen when it doesn't rain. And he's learned to speak the language. He's learned to speak the duck. Can you do your duck? Do your duck. Again, duck. One more time, duck. Oh, me, nice to see you. All right, good job. There we go. Now, I'll give you a better example of something. Turn around. Now you can see that Clyde's got just about twice the wingspan that Buttercup had. And his wing has been clipped. You need to stay right back here. Here's his tail feathers. He's a very beautiful bird. He's also a very powerful one. With that beak of his, Clyde can bite down with enough pressure to easily remove a finger. And it makes him very well respected here at the park. There we go. Great. Got my gun. Bang, you're there. Bang. With a little help from you, good job. And since Clyde is a special bird, we taught him to play basketball. And so we're going to do this next shot and show you Clyde's secret weapon. And this is Clyde's version of the jump shot. All right, Clyde blazes down the court, blinding the speed of bird, blinding the speed. He grabs the ball, turns to the basket, jump shot. 2 points, and that's Clyde on the basketball. There's very few birds that can actually add simple numbers. The way this works is I give Clyde a problem, and he brings out the answer for us on our bell ringer. Now we're going to start off with a simple problem for you. Ready? Okay, this is easy one. 5 plus 5. You got to be sure. today is goofy enough he doesn't need that extra help at all. So anybody, just go ahead and yell out a number for me. I'll take 8, okay? And you, 4, okay, add one more number. 6, okay, thank you. 8, 4, and then 6. Let's do this one more time. All right, there you go. 8, 4, and 6. Okay, 3 numbers. 8, 1, 6. Okay. 4 more. Got it. Do it. It's pretty quick. It's a sharp version.
Really like anything.
Japanese garden. Japanese garden. Japanese garden. Japanese garden.
I don't know.
Look at that turtle. Yes, it's real.
Where's Antoine? It's supposed to light up and it didn't work. She grabbed it and punched it in the face.
When I see you, you have to rub your stomach for good luck.
We need to rub
You guys, come on. Don't use to rub your stomach for good luck.
Yeah, he has a cramp.
Take a picture of them rubbing your stomach.
Look at all wrap.
Lisa. Standing there. Leave her there.
Lisa.
Lisa, get over here.
Leave her there.
Okay.
Come on.
Right? Careful, man.
Perché cosa tiene?
No, Nina. Ego fini. Lisa, go there.
Behind there.
Look, we can still be
Can you really work?
Yeah, it worked.
Pasen que palaca, ¿verdad?
Look at that. Oh, no, sorry.
Yeah.
Look at the banana thing. Yeah, that's it.
And she has to get in there.
Strong round
There's
two.
her house. That's a nice one, eh?
The banana, no.